My sweet potato pie is a classic Southern comfort dish. Bake sweet potatoes for 45 to 50 minutes or until tender. Peel the cooked potatoes. In a large bowl, combine the sweet potatoes with softened butter until smooth. Be sure to scrape down the sides. Add brown sugar, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Add in vanilla extract, milk, and eggs. Mix until the batter is smooth. Pour the mixture into a pie crust and bake for 1 hour. I love to top mine with whipped cream and cinnamon. You can find more Southern comfort foods on our website.